Okay, today's program is a strength, full body with your dumbbells. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so for more videos coming your way. Okay, let's do this. Okay, welcome to the dumbbell workout. Alright, so 3 exercises, 40 seconds on each exercise with a 20-second rest. Okay, so we're going to do squat and press. And press, obviously I'm going to have dumbbells in my hand. Good. Bent over row, so from here, straight back, push your hips back, hands down, and hands towards the hips. And then good old plank. You know, on the knees or on the toes, elbows on the floor. Make sure you stay nice and open. Alright, are we ready? Set, let's go. Good. Nice. And just breathe. Big knee. Be nice. Oh. Good. Nice, keep that going. Done. All right. 20-second rest. I'll show you from the side. Take up those bent over rows. So from here, we're coming up. Back down. Yes. Got that. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good. Good. Really squeeze the shoulders back. Pull the shoulders down towards the hips. Try and keep that back as straight as you can. Try and feel the back of your legs as you're loading into your legs. Good. Keep it going. Good. Come down. All right. Put the weight down. All right. Plank. So, try not be in this position. Try and be in this nice open position. Yeah. I'll explain why after we've done it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So shoulders back, butt tight, abs tight. If you need to, have knees on the floor. If you can, keep your feet on your toes. Hold in this position. Halfway point. Good. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Good. That's the first part done. All right, this plank. As I was saying, try not be in this position. Try and be in this open position. Yeah. This is internal rotation. We spend the majority of our lives internal rotation, watching TV, computer, driving, all those kind of things, writing. So we want to try and spend a little bit of time out of that position as much as we can. So into this more external position. Yeah. So next time you do it, when you come back, go into this position. All right. Let's move on to the next section. This next part, we're going to basically do kneeling down to standing up, or something like this, pulling away. Kneel down, stand up, stand. Kneel down, stand. And you can swap legs if you like to. Then from there, we're going to do push-ups, good old push-ups. Just work around the weight. So from here, push-ups, if you need to, put the knees down. Push-ups, yeah. And then from there, we're going to do lateral raises, shoulders, yeah. So, just going to go kneeling down, standing up, push-ups, lateral raises. Are we ready? All right. So let's take a weight. Let's get down to the floor, starting on kneeling position. Ready, set, let's go. So, stand. Good. I'll swap to about 20 seconds. Good. Nice. Good. Keep that going. Good. Alright, so we'll swap the other side now. Just to confuse you. Good. Good. Keep that going. Good. Nearly there. Good. Alright, stop. Alright, put the weight down. 40 seconds of push-ups. That's a long time. So, do what you can. Be on your toes, be on your knees. Mix it between, whichever you want. Are you ready? Set, let's go. Take your time. Try and go as low as you can. Good. Halfway point. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, stand up. All right, let's take a weight. All right. Lateral raises. Feet shoulder apart, chest up, tight cap, tight there, tight core. Squeeze the bum. Ready? Set. Let's go. Up, down, up. Good. Nice. And when you do this, try not to lean back. Try to keep as straight as you can. Nice. Good. Keep that going. One more. Good. All right. Let's take about a minute rest. Move to the next part. All right, well done. Good job. Okay, next part. We're going to target glutes, triceps, and then base of the waist, your obliques. So we're going to give, basically going to give, we're going to do, can't speak today, we're going to do glute bridges, tricep extensions, and then side planks. Yeah, so show. From here, glute bridge, coming down. You put the weight if you want to on your stomach or on your hips. Some will do that. Go on the hips. And then from here, just go up and come down. Alright, 5 seconds. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Push through the feet. Drive up. And you can go as slow or as fast as you like. I like to give it a little bit of a pause on top. Good. Really think about pushing yourself up from your feet, the base of your feet. Try not to let the knees drop in. Good, alright. So next, you've got 20 seconds. Just let me show you. So from here, dumbbell tricep extensions, line, move down, move up. That's what you're doing. Bending from the elbow, bring the weight down towards the head, and back up. If you can, touch the floor. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Move down. Try and keep that lower back against the floor. And triceps to burn. Good, nice. Everywhere. Just nearly there. Good, come down. Alright. Next is going to be a side plank. So from this position, elbow underneath you, lifting up, pull. Are you ready? 40 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Come up. Take the hand up. Pause. Try and feel like you're in that hip up as much as you can. And as you're here, big inhales, big exhales. Try and open up the rib cage. If you need to, knees can go on the floor. Be in this position. 5 seconds. Good, come down. 20-second rest. Let's swap round. Let's do it again. 10 seconds. Are you ready? Are you sure? 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's come up. Good. Remember, inhale, exhale. Really feel like that head being up. Try and late shoulder rotate forward, try and get your shoulder back. Good. Halfway. Good. Now you're at 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. Come down. Alright. Good. Hope you're feeling good. Nice. Alright. One more part left, and then the workout will be done. Okay. Last exercises is going to be lunges with bicep curl and back extension. That's it. Just 2 exercises. Obviously, we're doing lunges on both sides. So I'll quickly show you. I'll show you from the front, and then I'll do it from the side. From here, we're going to do a lunge, bicep curl, come up. Lunge, bicep curl, come up. Yep, all in the same leg. Then we'll jump to the floor. We'll do some back extensions, 40 seconds. Then we'll stand up, and we'll do the other side, other leg. Yeah. So, I've got 10 seconds. Get yourself ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just step back, bicep curl, and back up, back, bicep curl, back, biceps, good, back, biceps, good. Nice, looking good. Back on. Good, nice. 13 seconds. 5 seconds, get one more out. Good, all right. Let's get down to the floor, lying on the chest. Look straight up behind us. Hands by our ears. Now we're going to do back extensions. Or kind of like a hyper extension. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. You can pause a little bit up top. Do so. Good. Nice. Get that going. 17 seconds. Nice, come on, keep going. One more. Good. All right, let's get up. A 20-second rest. And we'll go to the other leg. Yeah, so same as before. Stepping back, bicep curl, step back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. Back. Biceps. Good. Try and keep the weight forward a little bit. Good. Try not to let the knee drop in. Let the knee out. Halfway. Keep that going. 7 seconds. Come up. Let's go one more. Come on. Good. Alright. That's a little over 40 seconds that time. Perfect. Alright. Good. That's the whole workout done. One time. Alright. Now the challenge is to go back again. Repeat everything again. And then if you feel enough for it, go a third time. Yeah? Really, really good. I'm tired. Hope you're tired. Please subscribe, comment, anything you enjoyed, anything you want to see more of. Also, if you want a little bit more cardio now, once you've done, well, you don't need it, but if you do, up at the top here, there's some cardio for you to do. And if you just want some stretching, right here, there's some stretching. That's it. Have a good one. Stay fit, stay healthy, look after yourself, eat right. I'll see you on the next video.